In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to bold text on Instagram bio. So if you head over to Instagram and head over to the bio section, you can see that there is no option to bold it on itself. So now you'll need to use a third-party website. Open up any web browser of your choice, and in the web browser search for text bold. You can use any of the websites that you want, but for now I'm going to use the first one. Now you can type in any text that you want to add in your bio, and after you type it in, you can see on the bottom all of the text are bold with different fonts. You can choose any of the font that you want, tap and hold on the font and then copy it. Tap on copy and head back to your Instagram. So now you can paste in the text that you just copied. You can see the difference already. Remove the previous text and then tap on this check mark on the top right. And now there you go. You can see that the text has been bold. So that was the easy process on how to bold text on Instagram bio. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This way it helps the creation of new videos. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.